What's up, guys? Going for a quick little ride today. Let's see if we can see any trucks out here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Got my v13. See what we see? Not a ton of traffic today, which is nice. It's about 1:30 p.m. on a weekday, so I don't expect traffic to be terrible. Going to try to make it to the gathering place on the other side of town. I saw a big crane over this direction yesterday, so I'm going to try to see if I can find it again. Look at this thing. It's massive. Wow, I don't get up close to these things very often. Tulsa has a ton of bike lanes all around the city, which makes riding an EUC, or a bike for that matter, pretty nice. Ooh, look, a DeLorean. Anyway, I'm going to try to stick to the bike lanes, and hopefully it's a little safer there than on a sidewalk. I'm a cyclist too, so I'm pretty familiar with the rules of the road and looking out for cars trying to get you. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, that's better. Ew, what is that? Oh, hey man, thanks for that. That was nice. CrossFit, anyone? Okay. Sure. Look at that guy. What is that place? Whoa, it's narrow here. Yikes. A little sketchy. Oh, thank God, a bike path. No traffic for a while. Here's my ride if you were wondering. I'm not going to talk a lot about it today, just enjoying the ride. I'll give you some stats at the end for those that are interested. Hey puppers. Wow, that's a nice place. Uh-oh, scooter down. On your left. There's something pretty interesting looking. A traffic stop for pedestrians. Awesome. This park is amazing. I'm not going to ride up to the gathering place as I think they frown on that. Or in the gathering place. Just going to make it over to the trail on the other side here. Doing some major construction. Not sure what that's about. I think there's a pump track around here somewhere. Oh yeah, right here. It says there's designated places for e-scooters, I think. If there's no one here, I'll just pop in real quick. Never been on a pump track with a wheel before. This should be interesting. I'm not going to go fast because I'm a weenie. You can feel the wheel pulling you up. It's pretty crazy. Maybe if I get more comfortable with it, I'll try faster next time. Well, that was fun. Oh wait, there's another one. How do I get there? Turn around. Up this? Yeah. This one seems longer. The GoPro is probably going to make this seem super smooth. It's actually quite hilly. I'll definitely be coming back here. Okay, let's bounce before I get in trouble. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going up into the park. I don't want to be that guy and give us EUC riders a bad name. Thanks, bud. This part's cool. You can really get some speed going if you're not careful. Okay, turn around. Back over the bridge. Not a lot of traffic in general. Not seeing any trucks. Hey, there goes a 579. That counts. Nice view of the city here. Ugh, this squeeze again. Yikes. Uh-oh. Popo. Such a nice day today. This thing really rips and feels so secure. It's refreshing for a wheel. Hello? Not sure what this guy is doing. Trash bins in the bike lane is nice. Come on, guys. Hey, it's Medea's car.
Hello.
This street is freshly done. So smooth. Let's see. 30 miles an hour? Yeah. Buttery smooth. This church's paint is crazy. It blends right in with the sky. Ugh, red light. Okay, here we go. There's no one on this street. This is nice. It's all to myself. Gonna go check out that crane again. There she is. New York plates. Interesting. Look at the size of those wheels and tires. Jeez. There's an estate sale over here. Okay, so I'm at the end of my run. Sorry there weren't a lot of trucks today. I did 21.6 miles, riding for 1.3 hours, max speed 31.1 miles an hour. The wheel shows 118 volts, 72% battery with 86 miles remaining. You guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.